All right, welcome to the Host Financials Podcast. My name is Austin.
Susie.
Welcome back. Welcome back. How you doing?
Doing good.
All right, and so today we are talking about the Amex business line of credit. We're getting a lot of questions about this from our clients. Obviously, we specialize in all forms of creative funding and alternative funding. Our bread and butter is 0% interest business credit cards, but sometimes these major banks will throw you a bone and they'll come up with a great product that isn't really hard to get access to. So let's talk about the business line of credit. We have the Amex business line of credit.
Yeah. So literally emailed us and said, hey, apply without a hard inquiry. So that's a cool part. You don't even get a hard inquiry. They give us like $40K, and I don't think we've ever used it. We never needed it, but just to know that it's there, it's awesome.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, so let's talk about the business line of credit in general. What do people need to know about this product?
Yeah, so business line of credit essentially is just hard cash.
Yeah.
So let's say they give you $40K, just like us. We're not getting charged anything at all for having that line of credit. Mm-hmm. However, if we pull money from it, then that's when the interest kicks in for whatever portion we pull. So let's say we pull 20, we're going to be charged interest. And the interest is super low. I think industry standard 13%.
Okay.
So super, super easy and really flexible. There's no like annual fee associated with it.
Yeah.
There's nothing like hidden fees where some of the banks will like hide something. And you apply online.
That's awesome. So this is just a product that people can go to the Amex website, find and apply for, or is it something where you're already in the family, you already have an Amex product, like a personal card, and then it's made available to you in like the membership rewards? But okay.
Yeah. So anybody can apply.
Okay, that's good.
We just happen to have Amex products, so they emailed us saying like, "Hey, you should get this." But if you literally go on Google and just type in American Express business line of credit, the website will pop up. And it's basic information like business name, how much revenue are you making, blah, blah, blah. Now, they are going to ask you to link your bank account at the end. So they'll ask you to upload either your bank statements for the last 4-6 months or log into your business bank account so they can look at the transaction history. So, yes, you do want to be cash flowing. So these are for folks that, have a business, get income coming in every single month, maybe 5-10K or above. Yeah. Those are the people that are most likely going to get approved.
Okay. Well, that was good. That was actually my next question was like qualification. Like how can people make sure they get approved or who's this product for? Mm-hmm. So in part, you've answered that question 100%. It's for business owners that on paper are cash flowing. On paper are
cash flowing, but you also do still have to have good credit. So that's probably the main top part, right? You have to have good credit, 720 and above. Yeah. Maybe you can get away with like 700, but no collections, no late payments, no charge-offs. You have to show that you've had credit, right? You have to have some sort of history, whether it be through AUs, authorized users, or like your own personal cards that you've had for at least 2 years. Yeah. So good credit. Obviously, you have to have an LLC, right?
Yeah, sure.
Doesn't matter the time that it's been open, but preferably at least 6 months, so that way you can link your business bank account and they can see the transactions, right? Yeah. So they're gonna want to ask you to link that bank account, and that's it. It's honestly for people who need cash instead of like cards, like credit cards, because
for sure.
You can transfer that money right into your bank account and you can use it as much as you want and however you want.
Not for that interest rate, but that's why people lean towards business credit cards because of the zero APR period. So does having a personal Amex product increase your chances of approval? Is that strategy still sought after for this product?
Not necessarily with Amex. What they really want to see is that you have income coming in your bank account. So you might not have an Amex product, you might not have an Amex credit card, whatever. But let's say you're cash flowing $50,000 a month, and you link your bank account, and they can see that you're gonna get approved for nice limits. So as far as limits go, people always want to know. I've seen on the low end like 15,000. High end 100,000. So it really does vary, and the amount that you get approved for obviously depends on your income. Yeah. How are you cash flowing every single month?
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's good. Okay. Amex business line of credit. We'll put a link in the description in the chat. I'm pretty sure we can link people and refer them to ours or whatever the case may be. The video is not sponsored, but if you do click those links, I think there is a way that we contribute and you support our channel through it.
Yeah, exactly. We can put it.
But if you have any questions about the Amex Business Line of Credit, maybe you're like, you know what, that's what I need. I'm still just unsure. Shoot us an email. Go to info@wholesomefinancials.com, and we'd love to answer your questions. Just make sure the subject line says Amex Business Line of Credit, and we'll know exactly what video you came from. But banks are continuing to come out with products like these that are great. That are great for business owners and small business owners. It's not the whole shebang, right? They have to continue to hustle to get the funding that they need, depending on the industry that they're in. But that's really, really great. If Amex can give you, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, that's enough to build a business and change some things. So
absolutely.
That's awesome. Well, we appreciate you guys tuning in to this video. We just wanted to talk about the Amex Business Line of Credit, our experience from it, and just some of the things you need to look out for when you're applying towards it. If you need any help, again, go to wholesomefinancials.com. If you're looking to fund your business and you're not sure where to start, go to wholesomefinancials.com and we'll walk you through the process, and we'll show you everything that you need to be funded. And then within our mentorship, we walk you hand by hand and introduce you to everyone you need to be aware of within the banks and the credit unions, all the connections that we built. It's a full done-for-you system. It's amazing. And so, and I might just be biased talking about it, but we highly recommend it. We really do encourage you. If you're ready to get funded, don't wait. Just go ahead and jump in. And so with that said, we love you guys. Peace be with you, and we'll see you in the next one.